Tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Feeling constantly stressed about money? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle to manage their finances effectively. But what if there was a system that could help you take control of your money, ditch the debt, and finally achieve your financial goals? Enter YNAB, short for You Need a Budget. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's be real. Budgeting can feel like a four-letter word. It often conjures up images of rigid spreadsheets, endless restrictions, and a whole lot of misery. But YNAB flips that script on its head. It's not about deprivation, it's about empowerment. It's about giving you the freedom to spend your money intentionally on the things that matter most to you. So, what exactly makes YNAB so special? Let's break down the key benefits. For rules of budgeting, YNAB operates on 4 simple yet powerful rules. Give every dollar a job. This means assigning a specific purpose to every single dollar you earn. No more mystery money disappearing into thin air. Embrace your true expenses. YNAB encourages you to track all your spending, including those pesky, irregular expenses that often throw budgets off track. Think car repairs, birthday gifts, and vacations. Roll with the punches. Life throws curveballs. YNAB helps you adjust your budget on the fly to accommodate unexpected expenses and still stay on track. Age your money. This rule emphasizes the importance of giving your money time to work for you. By saving for future expenses in advance, you avoid the stress and debt that comes with last-minute scrambling. Intuitive interface. YNAB's user interface is incredibly user-friendly, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. It's visually appealing and easy to navigate, making budgeting a breeze. Community and support. The YNAB community is incredibly active and supportive. You can find answers to your questions, connect with other users, and even attend online workshops to learn more about budgeting best practices. Proven results. YNAB has a proven track record of helping people achieve their financial goals. Whether you're trying to pay off debt, save for a down payment, or simply gain more control over your finances, YNAB can be a powerful tool. Now, you might be wondering, is YNAB worth the cost? It's a subscription-based service, and understandably, some people may be hesitant to invest in a budgeting tool. However, many users find that the value they gain from YNAB far outweighs the cost. It's an investment in your financial future, and it can save you time, stress, and potentially thousands of dollars in interest payments. So, there you have it. YNAB is a powerful budgeting method that can transform your relationship with money. If you're ready to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals, I highly recommend giving YNAB a try. You can even start with a free trial to see if it's the right fit for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.